So I'm in Burlington, North Carolina. Completely unexpected. Stop by here at Zack's Hot Dogs. This is a cool joint, and lately we've been doing the hot dogs. And I found this place parking here in Burlington. I was like, I'm hungry. I need to eat something. So get a combo deal. Get the hamburger all the way and a chili dog with coleslaw here at Zack's. So let me show you the inside of this place. It looks like an old diner. It's been here a while, and it's packed. Looks like a lot of locals come here, and I just ordered my hamburger and hot dog. I'm gonna try them out too. And they have the cheer wine, the Coke in the bottle. Got me some sweet tea, and there's their menu right here. But I'm gonna have a link to their place too. This is gonna be a short video, but you know what the heck, right? I'm gonna show you Zack's, and I'll let you know how it is. And they are quick. Get your regular Carolina dog here with the chili, coleslaw. Got a burger all the way with the chili and the coleslaw, tomato, lettuce, and there's the burger underneath. Looks good. So we're going to dig into that now. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this place completely by accident. Very good burger. Yeah, very good. Haven't tried the dog just yet, but it looks like it's been here since 1928. So Zack's is a well-established place here. It looks like the locals know all about this place. It's packed with a lot of locals, which is great. So if you ever do come into town to Burlington and you like hot dogs or hamburgers, yeah, you need to come here to Zack's. And I wanted to point this out too. Each table has Zack's secret hot sauce. Yeah, see it says right there, since 1928. And they do have other condiments, you know, the salt and pepper, your napkin dispenser, and you do have mustard and ketchup over there. And it looks like they have 3 locations here in Burlington. And there's their phone number and the addresses if you need that. Yeah, Zack's hot dogs. Okay, now I'm going to dig in to this chili dog. And it is smothered. Yeah, it looks good. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use that hot sauce. Yeah, I better not. But yeah, I'm going to devour this in just a second. Yeah, I devoured that burger too. And I usually don't feel myself eating, but what the heck, right? Good. Got a chili on my nose. Get a shot of the menu too. They're very reasonable. Yeah, the prices are very family friendly. There you go. Here, combo deals. They have picnic deals too. Party packs right there. They give you a lot too. So yeah, it's very filling. And I mean, it's a quick lunch. You come here at Zack's Hot Dogs. Get a shot of the front of the menu. Got some pretty pictures of their food. Yeah, it was delicious. And here's the ticket right here. So check out the prices. Not bad at all. So $10 for the complete meal. Yeah, they do take card too. Cash. They just started taking card recently. So yeah, you don't have to worry about just having cash. Yeah, Zack's was awesome. So if you're ever here in Burlington, be sure to stop by Zack's Hot Dogs. And they've been here since 1928. Yeah, it's a long time. So yeah, I had a great lunch. It was quick, fast. And again, they do take credit card now too. They should just take cash, but yeah, they have credit card machines in there. So you're good to go. And again, it's inexpensive. Great for the family too. So you're not going to, destroy your wallet when you go out to eat. But yeah, definitely check them out. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.